How does systemic racism cause discriminatory lending for Black homebuyers? Imagine trying to buy a home and facing barriers that aren't about your finances but about the color of your skin. That's what systemic racism in housing has created for many Black families. This isn't just about individual choices. It's about a long history of policies and practices that have shaped the entire housing market. Back in the 1930s, the government and banks used redlining maps to mark neighborhoods with mostly Black residents as risky. They refused to give loans or mortgages to those areas, making it nearly impossible for Black families to buy homes there. Racially restrictive covenants then kept Black families out of certain neighborhoods, locking in segregation. These policies made it hard for Black families to build wealth through homeownership. Even after the Fair Housing Act was passed in 1968 to stop discrimination, the effects still linger. Today, Black homebuyers often get higher interest rates and worse loan terms than white buyers with similar incomes and credit scores. This means higher monthly payments and less money going toward building equity. One way discrimination shows up is through appraisal bias. Homes in Black neighborhoods tend to be appraised at lower values, which makes it harder for owners to borrow money or sell at a fair price. Predatory lending is another issue, where Black borrowers are more likely to be offered risky subprime loans with high interest rates and fees. These loans often lead to foreclosure and financial loss. Neighborhood segregation still impacts Black homeownership. Even if they want to buy outside their immediate area, they face challenges like fewer loan options or higher costs. All these barriers keep Black families from accumulating wealth through property. Since homeownership is a major way to build wealth in the United States, these obstacles widen the racial wealth gap over time. To change this, programs that provide down payment assistance or special credit options for Black homebuyers are being created. Advocates are also pushing for reforms to make lending fairer and to address appraisal biases. When we understand how these systemic issues work, it becomes easier to find solutions that help Black families buy homes and grow wealth for generations to come.